ESSDi CAD proudly introduces ESSDi Smart-Gen, a revolutionary state-of-the-art AI technology, the first of its kind in the world. This advanced system is capable of generating pattern designs for over 450 styles, simply by inputting a few key parameters. In this example, we will demonstrate the generation of a hoodie style, complete with size gradation. Create a style number. This will serve as the unique identifier for the design and will store all necessary pattern files, graded sizes, marker planning and yarn programming. Select the desired style. Choose the specific style you wish to create along with its required components. Enter the unit of measurement. Specify whether you're using centimeters, inches, etc. Put size measurements. Use the provided measurement chart to enter the size-specific dimensions. Generate patterns. Once all measurements are entered, simply click the Generate button or icon. The selected hoodie components will be created within seconds, with the precision required to ensure high-quality garment production. ESSDi Supermarker is designed to efficiently place generated patterns created by Smart-Gen. The patterns are automatically transferred to ESSDi Supermarker, which then optimally places them based on the given constraints, such as kitted tubular, open width, or woven fabric, and placement methods like one-way or two-way lay. The ESSDi Marker report includes 24 essential data points critical for achieving optimal fabric cutting and production planning. Markers created in ESSDi Supermarker can be printed and cut the patterns using both vertical and flatbed cutter plotters. Once the markers are prepared, a fabric spreader lays out the fabric according to the marker specifications generated by ESSDi Supermarker. Finally, the spread fabric is cut efficiently, following the optimized cut path designed by ESSDi Cut, ensuring precision and minimal fabric wastage. ESSDi Yarn Program is designed specifically for knitted fabrics, offering comprehensive planning for yarn requirements, fabrication, dyeing, and cutting room allocation. Users can select markers to input the fabric color and account for fabric loss during dyeing processes. The program generates detailed reports including total yarn requirement, fabrication plans categorized by diameter, dia, and color, cutting allocation plans with clear breakdowns by fabric type, color, and diameter. This enables precise control over material planning and efficient coordination across production stages. Smart-Gen, in integration with ESSDi Supermarker and the ESSDi Yarn Program, enables users to plan and execute production with complete automation, from pattern generation and fabric planning to cutting and yarn management.